Guys, my channel name is Learning with Sheikh Alkesh Hussain. I am Alkesh. Today's topic name is how to use scientific calculator. Today we'll see all the keys in scientific calculator. I am dividing this topic in many parts because there is many more keys in the calculator. Today's in my hand is the calculator name is FX991ES plus. In most college there is use this is used in the that college. Okay, you see the calculator and how to first of all how to see how to on this calculator. First you see this all the keys. Click on button. You see this is on now, and now click shift button, and in AC you see off in yellow color. Click it, then that is off. Okay, first of all we covering the basic number and operation keys. First is basic arithmetic, how to add in scientific calculator. Okay, my calculator is on. We will see 2 plus 2. You want answer equal to, then you can see that the answer is 4, exactly same as it is as minus 2 minus 2 equals 0. Okay, another multiplication and addition, 2 into 2 equals 4, and 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, and we want, if you want negative numbers, then click minus 9 into 3, we get minus 27, then that is right. And the other topic is, today's other topic is, second topic is fractions. In division, if you divide 1 divided by 2, we get 0.4, but in scientific calculator it shows 1 by 2. Okay, but if you want to see the 1 by 2, what is the decimal value of 1 by 2, then click on this button, S to D, click, then it shows 0.5. If you want 0, not 0.5 in fraction, so click it, then it shows in fraction value, that is 1 by 2. Okay, then it cancel out, AC is cancel button. Okay, and the third topic, today's third topic is powers and roots. If you want squares, if you don't know 1 to 10 squares, then don't worry. If you have scientific calculator, then you can calculate. If you want 25 squares, click 25, and you see the x square, click on it, square and equal button, you can see 625, that is square of 625, it's correct. If you want square root, click on root, and 6625 equal, you can see 25 is the answer. Okay, but in other case, if you want cube root, and then click 620, where click on, if it shows yellow, but if you click it in, then it shows square. But if you want cube, then go shift button, go shift cube, then equal, then you can see the answer. It's showing 238328, then that is correct answer. If you want cube root, then you can also find out, that is 8 cube root, shift cube, shift cube 8 equal. Okay, you can see that two answer. Okay, but in other case, if you want not square root, not cube root, you want fourth root, fifth root, and other more powers, you can find also in this 5 power x fifth, 5 power 5, you can see is same as it is with roots also. Okay, so uh, so today's lecture is, thank you for watching me. We can see all other keys in the next part. Please like, share and subscribe and comment what is the experience of my and what do you like this video or not. Please comment it and support me.